In one step, I'm going to show you how to make your social media handle SEO friendly. After setting up your account, the next thing you have to do is go over to where you have edit profile here. Click on that. And we're going to work with where we have our name here. The first thing you should note is when setting up your name, do not put your name there. Rather, put that service you're offering in the caption of your business. So for example, this is a baby business social media handle, and I sell pin bottles, breast milk pump, nursing items. So that's what I will have written as my name, not my business name, not my name. The reason you want to do this is if anyone comes over to Instagram to search for something, for example, nursing cover, they would find your name under the search engines. Now look at this. When I head over to the account, you can see nursing cover virtually under everyone's name. Now let's use my own business as a case study. So I have nursing bra over here. So if I switch account and search for nursing bra, I'm even picking the last word now, and I go over to account. If I go through the searches, you see that I've not even gone so far, and I can already see my business here. You can see it's showing follow here, meaning that I'm searching from another account. So that's basically how to make your social media handle SEO friendly. For more tips, make sure to follow this handle. See you.